Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how to make your cosplays look different by changing the makeup. For a while, I was doing normal eyeliner for all of my cosplays, which resulted in a lot of my male cosplays looking like girls. So I hope this can help you to make all of your looks a little different and add some variation. So, starting with Kazuichi's makeup from Danganronpa 2, he's kind of one of those sly guy kind of looking eyes, so I just went straight across to make it really flat, and then rounded it out at the end, which makes them look a little thinner, like he's kind of thinking about something. And the eyeshadow is just pink and a little bit of green in the corner to accent his jumpsuit, and the pink kind of just goes with his hair. Next up is Samugi from DRV3. Her eyes are very rounded out. I didn't even do any points. She's kind of just a cosplayer out of cosplay, so you want to make sure her eyes are really gentle and normal. And I also added a lot of glitter just to make it very girly and pretty. This is my makeup for Todoroki from My Hero Academia. I made the eyeliner very thin because I didn't want it to be noticeable, and then I also incorporated a little bit of the character with half fire, half ice. So one eye is blue and has some snowflakes, and also on the eye side I did a little bit of white paint on my eyelashes just to give it a frosty feel. Next up is Gundam from Danganronpa 2. The contacts really make the makeup pop here, but don't worry if you don't have contacts because it's the same makeup either way, it still looks good. So if you notice at the end of the eye, it's kind of like a triangle shape. That just makes the top of the eye look very thin, and then the end gets really thick because Gundam is really dramatic, and so I wanted his makeup to be dramatic as well. To go with this dramaticness, also lots of red and black under the eyes for, emo look. Gundam's an emo. This is Melon from Beastars. He has very thin, cunning eyes, like he's always scheming something. So make sure with this you just do really thin eyeliner, and he has downturned eyes. It makes him look more like a predator. So I just followed my normal natural eye line, and then at the end I went downwards, and then I followed the bottom of my eyelid. I also used a lot of brown shading here just to make everything super dramatic and sunken in, just to make him look really sick and creepy. If you ever want sick and creepy looking eyes or face, just do lots of gray, brown, black shading. This is my look for Kirumi from DRV3. She has almost the same downturned thin eyes that Melon have, except at the end it's pointed upwards a little bit. It makes this makeup really elegant and fancy looking, along with monochrome eyeshadow colors, which I used a purplish gray, and then I just layered lots of glitter on top. With eye looks like these, large lashes play a huge role because they make everything just pop, look way bigger. This one is Juvia from Fairy Tail. Honestly, here I just did basic, huge, black, thick, winged eyeliner just to look really feminine, I guess, and then just lots of glitter. This is a look you can use basically for any girl that doesn't have a specific eye shape. Lastly, I have Kirishima from My Hero Academia. Now, I'm not sure if you noticed this. If you did, applause to you. It's not much different than my Kazuichi makeup, which is kind of the point. You don't want all of them to look the same, but if they do look pretty much the same, you can make people think they look different just by changing things. Here I added a lot of red shading, a lot of black blended in just to make it more dramatic, and the eyebrows. The eyebrows are a huge part because they make it look totally different. Basically, my point here is that everyone's cosplays look different, even if they're doing the same character, and that's usually because everyone's makeup style is unique, which means that you need to be able to vary your own style according to different characters, because you don't want all of your characters to end up meshing together and having the same face. Next time you get in a cosplay, just look and ask yourself, like, if you take your wig off and you compared it to another cosplay with your wig off, would you be able to tell the difference between the characters? Would they look much different? If not, then I would say definitely work on trying to add a little bit of variation between your looks. The biggest things that can change how your cosplay makeup looks are contacts, because they change your eye color and they make your eyes look a lot bigger. But if you don't have contacts, that's fine. You can also vary them by the thickness of your eyeliner, the color of your eyeshadow. You can even accentuate your cheekbones with different colors. I like to use orange for like soft, nice characters. And if you want more edgy ones, you can do red on your cheekbones. Eyebrow colors and shapes make a huge difference. If you want to be a male, you can do thicker eyebrows, and thinner, more trimmed eyebrows look good on girl characters. You can also add eyelashes, different kinds of eyelashes, definitely if you're doing different girl characters. If you have the same winged eyeliner for girls, that's perfectly fine. You can totally make them look different just by changing what kind of eyelashes you're using. Lastly, I'd just like to say, add your own touch to all of your makeup. A lot of my looks are test and repeat. I have to wipe it, and it is a painful, time-consuming process, but it works. Find your own thing. It's fun. You can always add your own touch by doing paint, glitter, rhinestones, whatever you want, go for it. Just do your own thing. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.